Are you locked out of your Gmail account or just want to update your password for better security? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to reset your Gmail password in just a few simple steps, and it only takes minutes. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a tip to make your new password more secure and easier to remember. First, go to your Gmail account and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. This takes you to your account dashboard where all your settings are in one place. Next, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you'll find everything related to protecting your account, including password updates, two-step verification, and recovery options. Scroll down until you see the password section, which also shows when your password was last changed. Click on it, and Google will ask you to verify your identity. This could be your current password or another verification method you've set up, like a code sent to your phone or email. Once verified, you can enter your new password. Make sure it's strong, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Then confirm it by typing it again in the following field. Finally, click Change Password to complete the process. That's it. Your Gmail password is now updated and your account is more secure. Here's a quick pro tip. To make your password easier to remember but hard to guess, use a combination of a favorite phrase with numbers or symbols. And if you want, you can also enable two-step verification for an extra layer of security. If you found this guide helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want me to make a video on how to recover Gmail accounts when you forget your recovery options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.